Okay, this is for my brother Eric primarily. Eric, I'm in the laundry room here at the little guest house, which is where me and Sherry are going to eventually move when we retire K4SMN Sherry. There's the FT897. I just got through making a contact on 40-meter sideband. I've been running some Morse, and battery's holding up. I've got 17.4 hours amp hours used and 4.9 solar. I'm fixing to put some more solar in it as soon as the sun gets over the trees. Got internet, of course, and here's the freezer. This is a Magic Chef freezer. There's the washing machine. I got all my stuff pretty much piled in here, and there's an air compressor. The water heater's right there behind the curtain. And sorry, of course, I don't understand laundry. But this is just a short situation here. The Miati 20 amp hour battery is holding up pretty good. And I can still run a Morse key. I'm amazed. After all these years, I can still run a Morse key. Happy New Year, everyone. This is Philip Neidlinger, KA4KOE, near Valdosta, Georgia, at the Inlaws. In the laundry room.